Okay, this is the day after, and we're gonna go through this little area here. Check some things out. Careful now. Careful, you guys. Oh! It's very dangerous. I really hope that no one else attempts this. We could be smashed at any time by trees. Are you scared, Angela? She's terrified. Is it what? Yeah. Hi, my name's John, and I'm here in Fayetteville, Arkansas on campus, and I would like to show you how much ice we have received overnight. This is well over an inch in diameter worth of ice. This is enough to knock power out for several days and cause a hell of a lot of panic. A lot of panic. But yeah, that's all I've got to say. I mean, the amount of ice on these things is just amazing. I mean, just take a look at this. Yeah, now I'm at the Laugh House, and as you see, there sure are a lot of icicles. Yeah. All right, you ready? Let's go. Well, that was a unsuccessful goose hunt. Unsuccessful goose hunt. Goose scare. Yes, a successful goose scare. Man, it's gonna eat me goose.
You can always eat that Asian.
We can always buy goose. What are they gonna do? Sit down again? Look, I could get that with my shotgun right now. Fire!
My sister and stuff, my brother and my grandma and my great-grandma.
Yeah.
Are coming up this weekend. And my great-great-great-grandpa in this casket.
Yeah.
And it passes the urn around. I'm gonna rub it for good luck.
Hi. Everything seems to be clearing off. Temperatures going up. Ice is falling.
Melting. Things are melting.
Things are melting. Getting back to normal. But I still don't have power here, nor heat, or anything really. Imagine it'll be quite a few days until I do get this luxury. The power lines were actually ripped away from my house, so it'll be a while. But we do the best we can in hard times.
It's hard. It's hard. It's really cold in the house. And I am afraid of limbs falling on my car. But that's what I got friends for, to keep me warm and feed me and make me laugh and feed me alcohol. So it's fun. I like it.
Yeah. Roads are clear. Ice is melting. But it sure is beautiful out there.
Don't I know it?
And that's the end of this January 2009 Fayetteville, Northwest Arkansas ice storm of the century. That's all I got to say about that.
I want to be where the people are. I want to see them dancing, walking around on those, what's the word again, feet. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of your world. What I would give if I could live out of these waters. What I would say to spend a day warm on the sand. Up there on land, they understand that they don't reprimand their daughters. Bright young women, sick of swimming, ready to stand. And ready to know what the people know. Ask them some questions and get my answers. What's a fire and why does it, that's the word, burn? When's it my turn? When will I love to explore the world up above, wandering free? Wish I could be part of your world.